Trent, Primmer, Head of Trading at Barclay Pearce Capital in Sydney. 5 stocks for your portfolio for this month. First up is Bingo, which has evolved to become a fully integrated recycling and waste management company, providing solutions across the entire waste management supply chain, including the collection, processing, separation, recycling and disposal. They have the largest network of resource recovery and recycling centres across New South Wales and Victoria. We see infrastructure spend and the construction industry providing an organic uplift in Bingo's earnings moving forward. iSentric has positioned itself as a fintech and digital e-commerce group with interest in both the B2B and B2C spectrums of fast growth and underbanked Asian markets, where growth is basically driven by smartphone usage, rapid uptake of cashless payment systems and microcredit. With an average of $7 million in revenue in the last 3 years, compelling valuation metrics and a recently heavily oversubscribed placement for a total of $1.5 million, which we facilitated. We believe growth is imminent and there's a current opportunity for investors to take advantage of the undervalued price point that it's currently trading at. So like most gold players, Saracen has had a particularly strong rally since March, roughly about 100% return in their share price. Despite COVID-19, they've still retained and beat their FY20 guidance of 500,000 ounces and an ounce record cash flow, which is nothing short of amazing. They do have a strong track record of beating and exceeding guidance. So with the potential economic weakness that we see in the future, a low interest rate environment, geopolitical tensions and particularly frothy markets moving forward, we feel that the gold will continue on its trajectory upwards, and Saracen is one of the best positioned to benefit from that rally in the gold commodity. So Bapcor, they're a provider of aftermarket auto parts, accessories and auto services. The rationale behind our buy is that due to the uncertainty and economic weakness associated with COVID-19, the Australian consumer within the automotive market, they're less likely to seek finance or spend aggressively on new vehicles, more likely to focus towards keeping and maintaining the vehicles that they currently own. Spark Infrastrcture, they're a leading ASX listed owner of long life essential services infrastructure businesses, which are ranked among the most efficient and reliable of their type in Australia. The business is focused primarily on efficiencies to deliver affordable, reliable electricity to consumers. Spark is a defensive utility business that we like with a strong asset portfolio. It offers stable yield of 6.5%, which is quite rare in a market where little to no return on banks, and obviously a lot of businesses, Aussie listed businesses, are reducing their dividends. That wraps up our 5 stock picks for the month. I hope you enjoyed it, and please stay tuned for the next month's stock picks.